I'm Erin Harrison with the TMC Newsroom. Here are today's top stories. Just when you thought DVR couldn't get any more convenient, TiVo officials say their Premiere box will let users find a wider variety of video offerings. Routers reported that as digital video recorders have become staples in homes, TiVo has fought to differentiate itself from generic DVRs offered by cable and satellite providers. Cable companies will even give them to you for free now, albeit fairly stripped-down models, but for lower monthly fees than TiVo charges. However, industry observer Charlie Sorrell sounded pretty excited about it. The new high-def Series 4 box, the smallest TiVo so far, not only shifts live programming like any other DVR, it also sucks in movies and TV from across the internet, letting you access Blockbuster, Netflix, and Amazon content, YouTube, and video podcasts. You can also stream music from Rhapsody and listen to radio on Live 365. Pretty cool. TiVo officials hope their two Premiere models, a $300 unit that holds 45 hours of high-definition content and a 150-hour model for $500, will be enough of a differentiation to maintain the brand as the so-called must-have option. The new models are expected to be available in April. Turning now to news on Capitol Hill this week, the discussion on internet censorship heated up with the Obama administration reportedly considering using the World Trade Organization to help Google in its censorship battle with China. As TMC Net recently reported, high-profile internet attacks on Google and dozens of other American corporations in China were traced to a couple of high-profile schools and were aimed at stealing trade secrets and computer codes. Senator Majority Whip Dick Durbin, who chairs a Senate Judiciary Committee panel, initiated the subject at a hearing on Capitol Hill and will apparently introduce legislation that would require internet companies to take reasonable steps to protect human rights or face civil or criminal liability, according to the Wall Street Journal. The Democrat made the announcement Tuesday, but offered sparse specifics. Making headlines out of Silicon Valley today is a report that Facebook's chief executive is in no rush to take the popular social networking site public. The 25-year-old Mark Zuckerberg told the Wall Street Journal that the company would eventually launch an initial public offering, but added, quote, "We are definitely in no rush." Zuckerberg told Reuters in May last year that an IPO was a few years out. In November, Facebook announced a dual-class stock structure to ensure voting control by existing owners, but reiterated it had no plans yet to go public. And now a little confession for you viewers out there. As a working mom, I've become a huge fan of texting. I can do a quick check-in from a meeting when I'm at work or if I'm on the road, but I have to say, although I do love this medium and admittedly I'm somewhat obsessed, my fingers do get tired. But a new solution for texters and smartphone users is said to offer relief with emerging technology that essentially uses a skin-based interface to turn the human body into a touchscreen. The method, called SkinPut, lets the skin be used as a finger input system using non-invasive wearable bioacoustic sensors. It marries two technologies, the detection of ultra-low frequency sound produced by tapping the skin with a finger, and microchip-sized Pico projectors available in some cell phones. The technology was developed by Microsoft and Carnegie Mellon University. As a frequent texter, I will definitely have to check this out and report back. That's all for today. For these stories and all the latest news from the communications world, please visit www.tmcnet.com. I'm Erin Harrison with the TMC Newsroom. Thanks for watching.